Welcome to another episode of Wacky English.
Bom dia, Dan with Synergy English Brazil. Well, today I'm driving in a rural area, and I got to thinking maybe it's a perfect opportunity to talk about animals, singular and plural in English. Singular, cow, plural, cows, and yes. Same with chicken. Chicken singular becomes chickens, plural. But here are some different animals that don't make sense. The singular and plural of deer is the same. There's no S. Singular and plural of sheep, also no S. Sheep, singular. Sheep, plural. Goose, singular. Gooses, plural. No. Goose, plural is geese. What about horse? Horses, correct, not geese. Ox, singular. Oxes, plural. Oxen. Does it make sense? No, it doesn't make sense. This is English. Anyway, I'm glad to be your English teacher, and I will help you with everything I can with English. So thank you for your time, and I look forward to seeing you again in the next video. Obrigado.